And welcome back, Gorilla Man's Garage. We're outside today and we've got the FIMI X8 SE 2022 in the middle of a snow blizzard, I think. Well, it's just blowing snow, but it has been. Want to get it up. It's the only bird I would ever trust getting up in this weather. We're just going to have a look at the trees. We've had snow for 2 or 3 days now. I've already done, as you can see, I've already done some of the snow blowing. We had about 8 inches overnight and we're going to get more. So let's get this up without further mucking around here. And there we go. And there it is. Okay. It's up, it's blowing around a bit. I gotta get it down again. There we go. Okay, it's blowing around quite a bit. We're gonna have some trouble with it, I think, today. There we go. Let's start that video just for fun. Okay, let's see if we can get it forward and up and look at some of this snow. Get it up away from the breezes. It's about 30-35 mile an hour, so about 50 kilometers an hour on the winds. There we go. We're up about 30 meters. There we go. We can see that pretty clear. There we go. Okay, 35, 40 meters. Let's look around this way a bit. And we've got gale force winds. No kidding. Yeah, that's what we got, all right. It's up at 40. There we go. Look at that, eh? Yeah, it's covered all right. Let's go. Come down a little bit. There we go. Go out there. It's going. Look at all that snow we got there. Yeah. Gale force winds. Let's just go a little faster. There we go. We'll get out there a bit and we'll come back again. That's what it looks like. Okay. I'm going to have to get my snowblower out again. I'm just going to look at this little lake system here and come around and come home again. Just a little taste of what winter wonderland is looking like. Let's come back a little bit faster there. Okay, there we go. Now we can come back. Yeah, the wind's blowing us back this way. Here we go. Here we go. Over our house. Let's have a look down a little bit. There we go. All kinds of snow. All kinds of snow. There we go. Our neighbor across the street there is doing his driveway. Let's go up. And this X8 SE 2022, it's a tank. I can put it up in any weather at all. It's just beautiful. It really is. It really, really is. Awesome. I love it. Yeah, I'm going to have to do my driveway again as well. Okay, let's turn around and come home. I'll come down the driveway and see what it's like. Here we come. Lots of snow. There we go. I think he's doing his driveway there. There it is. We can do this here because we can home that and park and zoom in. There we go. Okay. There he is. He's doing his driveway. Well, we'll come back to our driveway, which is right here. Another way. We're all the way out there. Here we go. And we'll come in. It's coming down. There we are. Down we come. And down. Down it comes. There we go. Okay, bring that camera up a bit. Look at all this snow we got. Well, look at this here. Lots of snow, eh? Lots of snow. Okay, come this way and we're going to land it. Okay, let's turn around. And come back and down. And there we go. Stop that. There we go. There we go.